Well, it's time to put this converter on. This is for the duster. It's PTC. I get 2 stickers with that. Huh. Anyway, those are not going on the car. Well, this is for the 904. It's supposed to be one of their top-notch converters, and I hope it works good, because I need to get this car back on the track again. Here's what's left of my old transmission jack. I took the casters off and put them on another cart, cut the pedestal off. It's just, jack was just old. There was something wrong with the piston there. It wouldn't move up, so probably could have fixed it, but I cut the pedestal off and put it on this floor jack, and it should work okay, I guess. But I still went ahead and bought another transmission jack. It's a lot nicer. It's okay. I think it's gonna work all right. This is a rebuilt 904. Had it redone, put a new pump and seal on it. The gear is supposed to be new, so we'll put it back on. Hopefully we won't have any more leaks. One more.
Ah, there it is.
There. Fits like a champ. Well, transmission's in. Put some fluid, tranny fluid in already. Took the jack stands off. I left the back race so we could test the transmission while we're at it. Hopefully this thing starts up. I'm pretty sure it will. Okay, one more.